If you're looking for cute, comfy, and convenient student accommodations in Seattle that offer campus proximity, then Cedar Apartments is perfect for you. These cozy 2- and 3-bedroom apartments offer you a heater for cold nights, a refrigerator to keep your meal prep fresh, microwave to revive your daily portions, an oven to whip up a protein-packed dessert, and a stovetop for quick fixes. Don't stress at the thought of hauling your laundry to the laundromat. Facilities are available on site. And feel free to bring your wheels along. There's secure parking for them to rest as well. Here's what else makes this location ideal for you. University of Washington and Seattle Pacific University are just a quick ride away, so campus is always within easy reach. Catch a bus from Northeast 42nd Street and 8th Avenue Northeast, or get a speedy tram from U District Station to explore the city with ease and speed. Don't settle for less when Cedar Apartments Seattle is what you need and more. Book now via amberstudent.com.